difference no very clearly.
Evidence of good living.
Evidence of good governance.
Good governance. Yankupong. Any abai. Yankupong.
More reset.
Any abai.
The Emma Ghana ni sisi na kuma Tony yem the kind and say appointees are money your Mahama ye jumano. Ni na mo ahbrase. Did he say we see the otchere and the kind nanti.
Sure.
Nti de impo na owa homaso kura no ene utimi se okasa ne bibia ode ahobrase. But I haven't seen many of those. In fact, like we used to see in the past, Hunter, Kakabin, Semene, whining, which are to me, Semene, your man, a binim. Nti ebebo mabaso se so far no. Ye ko bosume duba kumuni. Ana busumi duba kumuwa ni ebu. Yente scandal biya. It's very strange and rare. Say abayin beba na yente scandal for all these months. And they say a bit miesi Africa ha. Enti yebo mabaso se mati anim. Mama ye nu ho say ye bebo deru say yemfa John Mahama samre biem. Enti on that score, ye bomba baso papa. Me jina sa baso body any so. Edi amagana fo hu say Mensa ye Akufo Addo appointee. On sem fata John Mahama ben mu. Se o hwe na homa so
the boss man.
Ne kokotaku suban miara ne miara. Ye ntimi fa man e mane nyeye. Obi a onye answerable to the people of this country, ontimi nye easy e mane nyeye da. A referee that decides to do what she wishes by her whims and caprices. Ontimi emma democracy na John Mahama ene na appointees adane dinna ene yebo mabaso no entimi enkototen enti entimi ene Mensa enye adwuma under John Mahama entimi sida maka na mesa ka biem nyankopon pe nyankopon anabasa mu oduro ene sebi odo a wo mane my Ghana ti ase my Ghana ene Ghana fo nso so sebi senye nyankopon bo yen yesuro moja ye yam hyehye a ye wo senye yen kasa yesi approach nioma ena ye kan ye hufu ase omanfo a sebi yaye aboa oniti onifro te se aboa sonson okwa no de ti kopima no asasa ase de meto wiako eti ye hoahoa ye ho a ne ye kan ye hufu aye anya sa
chechede
anya chechede sem ye ne ye senke ye pe mu dadodo na ke di nsu ofremu a enka Mensa ma my way boy mugabi se wo hwe enioma akoso under Mensa na wo hwe tumidia na ekura no sanse ofi se wo ye kan kabi na nipa wa appointee no na sebio wo ye answerable to ono enti de Akufo Addo beka se wo nya no eno na wo ya enka enye ono a sebi Yakopon a enka mawe enka yentiase de to so biem mugabi hwe bossman hwe Sammy tete hwe impo akwana omre ko ho a ono ye eye friend sen IT consultant no
aye papa yi de no ye koke ne be amfo kwa cheba no so wo hwe Sammy mani nyina utinu se nipa wo ko ye referee amfo kwa chi no ye koke se eche no it's in the public domain no
it's Raymond Amankwano
amfo kwa chi
tesa no eno so ho different
na ho ne mo amfo kwa chi beazi ho nsini in the public domain ho ne
all that put
me na koke for nko
utinu se Nyankopon ene so man ni mu
na amfo kwa chi
pass ye koto aba
amfo kwa chi ba nya asem amfo kwa chi ba ye fa ne se o ye IT consultant at the Maleta commission one in the ne wo Akufo Addo ne amfo kwa chi wontem
Mensa nye antibeki our fast no.
Yanko.
Oh, so we now put together no. Now we share and your ma. We are quite to a basis here. Emma, you know, you catch the Ghana for say. Akufo Addo na mupa o me referee. No be referee a ekwan bia so no. Obey den. Obey lusu abano. Because Ghana for abano o mo kwa akoto no.
To about me. My
idea
be the winner. Change
it. Be anyone more a bit mercy other than the Ghana for epe.
The will of the people.
Now, yes, signing words of caution to Omonokrano. No, most so catch say, Omo so mind.
Why are you laughing?
Omo catch say, ya tiabre. Omo bo na champion yum chire. The tie say na kebede na ye ya.
Usukra na na.
Yes, ukra no so omo ye ne mo. Ni no mo bo chire.
Na na meka na.
Omo catch ye Ghana for say ekwe bia so na ba ne de ebeto na de omo no pe be president of Ghana. Omo ka ma tie.
So ye adwuma 2020.
Na sabra no mo kasa ni nyina no. Na me so meti radio so ni TV so catch ye Ghana for say yem pini matotobi eni yen so da. Totoka. Eni yen so da. Na sabi mancha totobi bia de prayetia ne prano. Prayetia abna eni de prano. Eni de prayetia abna prawo.
Ma ye ni sumina.
Eni no ma ye ni sumina so. Enti tumi na okura no onu o se de onu pe no obeye na nya de Ghana fo pe na ebeye no sa tumi ni ntimi enye e ma sa tumi ni bi e wo John Mahama ban ya democracy enne sabi sikani botom kura na upia bonten kura wo ahomeka sonko keke wo da enne me da kane no enye se sabi na betra na mekeka ma dwi bia me kwa Menyama ayemjisi amediko fie na ye modahye na mde yem bibia because so wo posini IGP a otini kodi awu ewo ye fa ni se botiano ku nipa 15 na betia studio aka na asem na so wo kofie na wo kɔ wasomdue mu a na ne wo nipa kro na mse wadwene nya adwuma etini ye bi modahyew ene ye di kwaje man ye tini nko ni man mesi ho na ye sa hwe se enye hwe se je Mensa sa be refi e election ni
Post ya oka umo obi edi.
IGP dampari na make an asem.
But what evidence so
what is
15?
Ko ma me no dada Joe oni na chiriba ya de omo ye firing squad ye bom tuo. Botiano.
You dampari ne koku.
And who does the backstop with?
So why can't you take dampari's names out?
Why? And then you see I you who do yedabo.
No evidence.
John Mahama no ye edwo ECG. Do so by man ka say John Mahama.
But you need evidence.
I have evidence.
You
see, it's on this platform and I'm no or Kasaye.
But this will mini o.
So I am manager.
And by mini
now only manager no we are both Mamina Kasa voice or platform so say or say damn parine sumama ebe kunima.
Me manti.
Ayo. And you say me bibia na oti. See your mama or
because you only free me say damn parine.
Mean that. Me can some to home family. Now won't be that. Me just am Kojo na dem me
see no so nka ho
me makai news wa
yenko ye
ana me ba wo true news ma me
yenko ye
enti ye gina sa ne ma ni nyina so aka ni pen a kira ban say democracy mu no such persons like Mensa asare Sammy and all those about that were known faces of MPP no yet ni no mo adwuma wo Ghana ha e wo democracy
Mensa nko
ti Mensa must go
ti die pa na wa ye
Dedi kan Sammy mi ankasa me mame Valerie Soya
doctor
no ya na munka emumpi Dr. Valerie E. Soya. Dedi kan say
about governance.
You are our first electoral commissioner to churn out 3 different results ehono me meka se na 8 in 2020. What the results maku 8 and about
86.
My mother is being very charitable here and very economical here because a stateswoman and so she wants to just portray
capacity
in a way and say too exaggerative, but that are the facts. facts are that she churned out 8 different results, 8 different figures,
right,
and ended up bringing results that was not conclusive. That one.
29 Gaza Timpo.
And 20. Oh yeah. Omo akofa dubious way so koye. You ignored precedents and decided to conduct registration only at district offices. This is a heinous crime. Obi te kwayem ta kwayem. Onim baby asebi okopesika dia fa card dia ba. The person was compelled because he or she was under your duress to travel all the way.
Okay, said
travel all the way.
God so mahine, the late God so mahine.
Yes.
Okay,
yes. Aside from that, say your daily tally of voter registration figures exposed the incompetence of your team. Say incompetence. The list said, so we lawyer na show me say you we nya say the been patch me case MPP lawyer ni NDC lawyer ni
MPP lawyer so mo judge.
NDC lawyer ni nwoma MPP lawyer ni onim judge awokotua bribe.
That's the difference.
That's the difference.
Fantastic.
We lawyer ni awa ben adwumu Dr. Valerie Sawyer. There also 9, you refused an audit of the voter register. Adia the taxpayers' money was supposed to be used to get the voter register audited. Yes, if you him said Dina woman, say Biawu, say Biaden, said the woman would audit it was a minute. Now, wara woni wara. Nanyanku pompu. Ono awon kase ono ara ni ono ara just say yen yeka. The atosunum or say your disqualification that you disqualified the NDC parliamentary candidate for Amenfi Central with no proper justification. That is a fact. By her whims and caprices, no. Ono say what disqualify no. Wa bra no woni nyina so bia. The atosunsia. Last but not the least on the sheet, or say court process to lift an injunction that had been placed on an election that had already been nullified by the National Executive of the NDC was concluded on November 11, 2020, leaving barely 1 month to election day. Sadly, we esu yadia or yeah, ema obia ewu ne biases as the Mensa. The list is so tall, say, the Mensa, you see, a cannibonia. Me mamma, de wakansia. A dozen. Now, in democracy, no, such persons, no, must never have that space to be the referee.
Training school.
So, all that abound. The Mensa
Dr. Valerie Sawyer
Ekuchire Ediababonten
Asamaba
Anunti yebesre my Ghana no ye chechire yemu no omo gi ye democracy in this fourth republic you see where NDC and they hold that badge jealously and they are guarding it so jealously to the extent say omo pese bibia be ye oyene ama se bi democracy kama ye ne ye practice here. You know, who said democracy, the followed by NDC, or person a better happy. Let's say NDC, a year Amayoko NDC, a person, Munyamna, a what democracy, no, as a Gina Brania. Yabaslomo say, a month for end time where she not the SSS and say, say, SSS and say, yes, SSS, one fun to if you talk. Sanye yen na ye hu ye no maybe ese du ketia kwakotena iPad meeting ase wo say adentina ese du ketia esre so it's an offense na wa na wo hu se hu osre na ono aje Mensa o hu se ne hu osre nipa no wo nimde e wo abatuo mu na niama wo keka no onim se nya sa na ye abatuo e no say ye wu kai ye chi. Because, Sabi, you are a square peg in a round hole. You don't fit. Baby, I do what no. And your incompetence was so glaring, and it was a public derision. Everyone saw that you were a public derision. You were a very laughable character. What be your typical say the coral draw and the auditing? Coral draw. I did draw. Busa omo IT in Kwala omo IT no. And on did draw your friend is saying say be edit Mugabe. Ufoto ya the 2 TV sukama kama yi. And no the coral draw near ye. Omo your friend is saying graphic work MCR no. Busa omo ade your friend coral draw. No busa says sa coral draw no yetimi de ye auditing ana yetimi de hwehwe edintro klata mu ana. Ade Excel sheet. Wo se me de coral draw no be. Na we say bi ketia won sro no be oden.
It was a
very laughable moment.
So why are you laughing?
And all these are bound, no. Now let's have it. Ni India one from Obia no chalo to ewo bubuashi. Na me nyamia peja what me akoye doctor mua. Ni e de abato ama se bra behwe so a. Obegina TV so a ensem hunu edu ba bi kwa do say NDC is or cancer NDC mu ya den kra. Or say it's a threat to Ghana's democracy. One day.
And the bossman.
Bossman sorry. Bossman sorry na me chalo to bubuashi no.
Oh there be one lecturer university.
Me say na wa bossman no be na asem. We feel no to mu na akodu bebe anya me na duro.
No chalo to. Me de meti say na nadamfo bi o doctor Oyicho. Ene na meti e na nye wa yiluta.
And also kan
se no wa damfo bi o ye medical.
Ene Mustafa Hamid
Oyicho.
Tia Mustafa Hamid ni ento aso. Enti
loto de ende.
Ye bese. Baby a esese.
Echo de na meti.
Umi enfanto. Na oman we oman a Nyankopon boye fefefe hwe se wo ko obi man so na Ghana ha na wo hwe se ne yetie mene alaji nasu ye wo baby ya ye tai ko diagro kakra
o de be si for me
na me de si for me me de sa asem we betwam me mo baby krodin na se wo bana MPP for NDC for CPP for look, Muslim for asare for chese obia ye nyina yete ye ho ne ho ase ne ye kan ye ho fu a ne fa Nigeria ni bi ba ho busaraji o say this can never happen in Nigeria o say this can never happen in Nigeria
very well
eti e besre se ne ya kan ye ho fu a as omanfo no mu me ye fa sa anante na betemu a ane sabi sa nipa miensa ya wo mo pese wo mo sei ye democracy ni nyi wo mo free ho ni mpeni papa mo manage elections ye ko ye nimu na enimonyam a esefata Ghana no the integrity na lost on the electoral commission sesi no then bring it that glory the lost glory back ni ye de ba e be ye enimonyam hye amayeman o my Ghana any Ghana fo nyina
very well
that said Mensa dey say twato say mepa owura Haruna Idrisu Achew say sa topic no Ghana ha ye ni sa clash no Islam Christianity there is no clash so we be ni school na we say Islamic school enti o ma Christopher me bompaye wo ho oh you right association let's now join it mesre sa conversation no I don't want to hear it again we should desist from that to me na cry no and your mouth for to me and your personal to me
that's your opinion
let us no I'm also sharing my opinion I have that right
it, yes
he has the right but he cannot share his opinion as a leader of this country because to me na dia Ghana for dia
and dia man
it is to me no was say ye pe and wo ye and dia no pe it is your opinion no be share o me who say this is my opinion it must not be in that capacity as a minister of state no that's why we can't allow it
say Islamic schools so
we can't
allow Christians
it's in their wish they omo pe but so can say obi abie ni school by force ultimately force obi
very well
it's not in your right
this topic will be another day
it's not in your right say we ehun ya me pa every time get to
na zero so na yenti alagi anu position microphone here edem other my yenti also submission
Mugabe since we started I've never had the opportunity to make a point.
You're talking about Mensa?
Yeah, baby. Conclude here.
Okay.
But you see, the point is very simple. say yen as Ghana for sansem we mama mayen kanon ku sise mon from school na yensu yemfa ye school anasa yensu yenkusi ye school e betu samre noa. And let me use this opportunity to tell and you bibiara asofo the churches say womu enebeye the losers say could do some pempens or one. I am telling you, meaning the American.
You should desist from
asofo enebeye the losers at the end of the day. Say ban say ya class some now could say me school until ya me pena ya pesa ye we pesa obeya and the we school.
You my best say.
Now say no. Let me tell you something here. The generations from Kwame Nkrumah, the attempt at transferring people ne papa and Nkrumah mreso yede ne ko tamale yede ne ko boga yede ne ko say won ko ejuma na ya fa boga fo no so e dey abankran e dey abankran and the entire concept of the boarding school. Yes. I can give you a typical example of a course I make course no it was peace and development something then one me ye de ma me no ya ma dan ba ko they have to pay you say me na aka course no ye de me pay a Roman Catholic father or something Catholic father
and I am member to obade
Debbie and na ye de two dying back. But let me tell you the interesting thing. Me now I am connected. Inti dying me ba ho me de binyoma to ho. First day no. Me kwasa by back enyumrea. Me beda. Me hu me roommate. Sama adie me sorry bompa ye me bibia na me hu sa ono so aba. Until after second day, or the me to hold the psalm say. So I mean everything okay. I say very okay. And I say, hey, only in Nigeria. Now there is no way. Yebema only Muslim better not die back home. Ama atumbiaga. There is no way. So that was what he was watching. Now no me. Now so the American. But later me mention and say you I mean everything. Is everything? I even
chief imam ultimate kosra a year pendigo.
Me say me call social media kunya picture no at the chere no course no. Into the perception he left the course with. Say Ghana there Muslim for ni a Christopher or Mokabum, and there's nobody ye nananu. Mekai Samuel just recently former President Wallace Abreso started say Islamic Education Unit. It was for a purpose because now no every say when mama yanko school you better na again ama ya forcing to go into another religion. Anything on one fire yanko school. Wallace ba ya oka say baby after what Nkrumah has done me too I can do something to school no me the Chiaba Mumakaranta no
Edetuamu
Emma Yenso Yenye bi because it is helping in socio-economic development. And yes, ye bimu etru. Enti ni American say if we don't take time and argue this issue out very well so that at the end it will be a win-win situation. And the Omano baby ababe kusino
enye papa
na enye don't blame anybody because when I feel oppressed, when I feel pushed, I need to react. Human body you know sana ye nipa sana nyakopo born o pushina o say ojina
so depend himself tire point here
and na opam ohufo nso a o to
the bema
tie ntwa so ho a
na yenhwe na whatever the situation
then we'll move
that's
forward. The most reason why I always tell people to be very much into dialogue.
Yes, dialogue. Throughout the world. Me, even the court case in a I support the one more opinion. Say, let us not end this with a court ruling.
Not at all.
I support that idea.
Yes.
Then we'll continue with the peaceful atmosphere we have lived in. The country is progressing because we are one. We understand that we have a country to run. We have a country to and a mission to fulfill.
We all need to be on the same page.
I think the national chief imam who are a Ghana were justify the preparedness to ensure cohesion, to ensure peaceful coexistence. Right. Let us continue in that tangent to get the issues resolved. Now, Jane
Adukwe.
Why she is even still hanging around, in the sense of me on Ankaba now, I prepare my resignation letter.
Call baby boko.
Na me de akoto ho, ako baby boko. But say on pen sounds wa. I think it's the step in the right direction. The Mensa approved it to me say, o man penyin na na do dan Akufo Addo. Wamba wambedi ade. Say obese ni party any aban kwan. Obedi ade say obese o man aka ho.
We withdraw soldier for ko ofie ko ho say na MS.
O reform ma
we to man mu a say ya ye din ya ye hwe han na ye ka kire ye me kai time ana NDC for minority in parliament raise issues to the fact to say SSS and answer a basic examination and Kwalano Chuono. Abide in the same way we move. Yen evidence of Sikapudu I catch say they are quarter past questions. Say Yadema Buan Kwalano to write exams. Nini Ekekamu. Sam Renu Nane Abeda say Yenina say na abaino ye katakata nyoma biso ama yenkwala no but you see the danger Ghana for enkai no say san kwala no edimu ebenkwa kwa doctor edimu ebeye asojafo edimu ebeye minister of finance ni ne ekeka ho akwala no wo banankasa wo de entro ene ye fensei kronu ene tete no project San kwala na wo mo be doctor wi a wo ko hospital ya ja Caesars ni gos e wo wiem say ya ye benze operation ana say ya surgery
okay go for a wife.
Yes, ye ja gos e wo san kwala no enyi ya sana wo mo ba because they didn't get the foundation ye push wo e kata e fuafua wo mo so e ye nyoma ndu the at the end of the day I will expect output no so output no wonder Nina no eye no nado dan Akufo Addo de niyo e na akwa
no ba ko benyini abewu Akufo Addo panebo na eku no wo de hwe
say oda so wo ha because me me da so jida me na so say
Yankopon be mena
o man panyin na nado dan Akufo Addo ene the vice president Bawumia wo mu kwa na mo be the first president and vice president o mo ko je as a result of the hideous corruption. Me, I don't believe that they will even wait for somebody to come and inject them. I believe before we end, the first president and vice president to go to jail. The Mensa. That's about me. Now, me can't say. Sa pundit na do ye. Obi enim say na for agenda. And oba no so be execute agenda no. Electoral Commission in its entirety, your first organization be another kubia, we move here and my democracy. Electoral Commission ni more democracy in Tunisia, a person parliament.
Feriano and Tuaba.
Inti, sir, a move here. Let's just say office, officer so Bomayan because you to move democracy in MIN, and we are going to continue with democracy. And to say office, I will say, obi biara odo democracy no. I will say, massa office no. Atentine any prepare ebe basa office no. Ama democracy no ejina ni nine. If sanso shedi anase enhyeso electoral commission so say we mu be independent say we mu nko afambia na the Mensa any the boss man ne tete no de any the group de obi ehu the number of times to the extent say NDC kwa ye koto aba obi se mempere me akọ court NDC akoka o masem cheas brabe to aban because by law no na also ojina na ye to aba also womba na say NDC obi ade aban no court dia also woni ho wo beje ye fese minimum da ye serve no sa petition no o ka tell say NDC abato no no homba mbeye
me we hayo
the number of issues Mugabe nenu yeti hey yenim say womu petition ya no womu doso me to say the petitions back up to 12 and answer saying and ye dey ba ye concerning the Mensa any events in Kise Jabin na womu amudu petition ba na mu ba kudi Ken Kranche Ken Kranche no bi onim say o MPP
Ken Kranche kan
okay
Ken kan
obi anim so o MPP
o si yisi nko
on o contest o kan ko no
no
o kan ko no o contest in the name of MPP o contest sa
o ko independent
o sign ko kra independent no ka MPP communicators obi anim ndi obi say so issues na ono so e de ekotudwa na obi ntimi nkogina echire nkoka chem say NDC for na ya say yentu Kise Jabin any your friends electoral commissioner na electoral commissioner nsansam no e wo say yenyina no yeto yebo na yete ase enhyehyɛ ya wo mra no mu e kire PV say senior chief justice de no ye the your petition bre president
conveyor
or person I was say or the comma your council of state
yeah.
Na woman hwehwem we e de no so embra kire PV say petition no enya kanensem I was say or the comma chief justice na chief justice eye hwehwem onya prima facie case na ya senkonya aye hwehwem na ya mau kwan ama we yi wonu on the charges are ye dey to so and yes ye piti prekwa na ye nyoma senia saloto say abreso ye mu say ye nyoma wo o man Ghana saloto say wa na
we no nye ye mfa nko ye council of state for ho
baby we ye chief justice
say papa ba for boni
correct is answer
then wife my birthday 29th year
Madame Fopa the head of prisons Madame Fopa also go to my day Mugabe one day when we yes our open forum no mesrew na wa komiku hu nyoma ma me hu dwiri me
na o de me
barrels when sa we no we
sa o de me ko
prisons man no
afashion no pese
na me say afashion pese so wo na wo microphone me ni microphone
na ye be invitation abansa mama ye be ma me esa na wo ya ma
the we kra nye so wo mo ye no wo head office wo headquarters wo
na bibi bia ye president asa me be ma me invitation asa
oh sorry me wait Pachame Syria daddy so that aside enti Jonamani Mahama His Excellency sani amrana kire no otu sana mo nia ye hwe say chief justice nso ebe ehwehwe mu adokoro ko ekiri
eni se eche
na ohunu prima facie case bia
yes
and ni yara yensin konya
which is
no bia be yini mu
which is very
na masra ade ba
public knowledge
say So Chief Justice, yenya primary for share case on the issue of the Electoral Commission and what. There is no way. So omu pesika kwa yavanze buami. Na yankope Mugabe Munsu Mubeba TVXYZ. The Mensa Ngwandi I was say yavanze live. May we live on TV. So because ya court ya manankasa. Ye bibia ya suavono. Na na do lanko Akufo Addo abai na shedo no obi ni say obi na nimu no kasa pe connection no be say because she's not she's not up to sa connection no a wo mo be airport no omu use no omu use no ewi emra na ba Mugabe, now you are beginning to understand the moves are MPP for ye. Adentina ye Chief Justice no. And you be akeke na majority leader. Na former Attorney General. When no mujina ama Chief Justice na ye no. Adentia. Have you begun to ask yourself?
No, they had a say.
The people know the processes. Any mrano said that into a woman to block everything. Anka of all the things that we are doing. Anka that's what.
That's true.
In the affair meeting, His Excellency John Mahama, so as I say, even before the 7th of January, so tribes now must set your mammy. Okay, yes. What can I say to Mahama Sakasa? So tribes now must set your mammy. Me women, young people, to me across all the traps without any hindrances. And I starting who back. Until message when you are no Ghana for.
They must go.
They decline and say, and yet me know, and I better tell Mensa. Neither it is John Mahama, Chief Justice, and what you should be. Mensa, me deck is here and also say, young Cassa, you win primary for shake case in Tico. You be seen Kuya, Ama or Quenya, or the say, obey one no. Now you are your coming album and your verdict. Yadebema His Excellency John Mahama. Now, so verdict in a bar. That day, no. Into the America said the Mensa, if the Constitution is not against open interrogation, I would say Obian Kokra XYZ TV Mongo. That Ghana for you know who empty the Mensa because Obian T the Numun Samuda. Say Kutu. Say Bam. Obian T the Numun Samuda. Enti ya mayanti na asem ma menu aye tua ne ka declare ajisika aye nia onu opeso oye onsuro hwe onfi hwe na outside democracy no e dey ko want to take his side na je Mensa na pamfo timi betina se NDC for ba omuni no momu na omuni why because they can claim here we come Kofi Akpalo any oh yes yes. Yes, we have a meeting. Many American effort the Mensa first point. The fact is, Oba Fufu Nche na ye be ye registration. Okay. Na yama womudi enyanko register no akonya ebi awedi 80 ebi awetu kwan anasa ye be ma kwan ma odi abom. Adia the Mensa be tu dwa no. And I said, hey, madam, if you want to be a predecessor, idea we own to me that figures because you probably be into me register. And para, be uncle the Mensa first open registration on ye. The problem throughout your democratic processes. Way below your target. Where's the meeting target? Audit your register, no. Baby, yes, also no.
I think what also the Quran.
And incompetence is one of the key issues of
yes.
Electoral Commission.
Yes.
And the Ghana for medium did say His Excellency John Mahama. Ejumano oyena back.
One step at a
time. No tomobo. na yembo mpaye kese ma John Dramani Mahama
inshallah
empire kese ma John Dramani Mahama be tidie wa
asa opeja wa na ose koye deputy CEO and
Mugabe John Dramani Mahama asem it transcends individual whims and caprices.
So that is all.
Baby, even as at the day I hear me say member Jimmy letter, I'm telling you before going
he had no clue.
Yeah, I hear me say member Jimmy appointment letter. I didn't know that appointment letter was NIA.
Yes.
I'm telling you. So
he's a good man.
Yes, and American Ghana for say
Honorable Julius Debra. When papa around him,
let me tell you something. Ghana for me. What bet me actually the text message from Julius Debra office. What would they buy me? All the Maya this week. Appointees here now. What to work with Facebook? Me I want bet you okra. What to work? The Mahama betimi my afro be. I didn't wear what you are appointee. Also Ghana for what the taxes in Chiao. I am telling you, that is why strict who appointee BR in the British. And the competition equals
very disciplined. Your mistake.
Competition equals your counterpart are breaking your the barrier. They are thinking outside of the box. Who better know what's not
work.
You are compelled.
And there one can say most of them now Adia MPP Jai Chile as office at the Mawo Edumadin say Ghana Ekoso up to now. Me, I want to believe say what the young kind by the time Rebecca say you wait 2 years, 3 years, the records will be set. Things will be clear. Ghana will be with the difference.
To audit in about 7 years or more auditing.
Good.
About the lowest amount almost spending under John board norm was 400 million Ghana. The lowest amount almost spending, you know. The Sakura woman and the 400 million.
These people are lacing their boots.
Yes.
How they trying
to walk at Ghana for and Obi Benya to make us I can say somebody is a dead Gyamfi.
Another plan.
Hey, like seriously.
Another plan.
Why sir?
Papa na namu dilechi. Papa na namu dilechi onya John Dramani Mahama ni nyamwa. Ankamuni.
Onante say another onante say so obi a fan to.
No, you kasa ba ono
another plan. So onante say obi a fan to.
Edi akwako tutu Mahama ho edi yi Mahama hia Bawumia ya onu wedi emia ya oti hu wo hwe wo no
correct ndi ano do owo Bawumia na so o Ken na so wo Bawumia
na kai na obeko
enti Bawumia on ferry
2028 obete ne pe
yes in the candidate
say we na the man
no say na so we to dey ba wan Bawumia
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.